What is risk to reward ratio? In the intraday strategy or scalping strategy, we talk about risk to reward ratio, but what it really is, the risk to reward ratio marks the prospective reward an investor can earn for every dollar they risk on an investment. So, in this case, if you enter for a trade with a risk to reward ratio of 1:5, that means that you are willing to risk $1 for the prospect of earning $5. Alternatively, if you enter a trade with a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, that means you are risking $1 to make $3, right? The potential to make $3. So the first figure you will see right here is the risk, right? And then this is your reward, right? Risk and reward. That's why it's called risk to reward ratio, right? So this is essentially how much are you risking and how much you're getting back in return. So you're risking 1% to get back 5%. You're risking $1 to get back $5. You're risking $10 to make $50. I always tell you guys that the minimum risk to reward ratio that you should use is 1:2, but you guys don't really understand why, right? So here is a very basic explanation. Let's say today you use a risk to reward ratio of 0.5. That means you're risking 1% to get back 0.5% in return. That's freaking stupid because you are literally risking more than the amount of money you're getting back in return. So that's just dumb, all right? So in this case, you will need to get a 67% win rate to break even. So you need to win 6 out of 10 trades just to break even. I can tell you that's very, very hard, very, very difficult. And then next, we got risk to reward ratio of 1, right? That means you're risking 1% to make back 1%, a standard, right? 1% to 1%. In this case, you need to win half of the trades to break even, right? Just win half the trade. I can tell you that professional traders, those billionaires, those smart money big boys, right? Their typical win rate is around 40% to 50%. So to get a 60% is freaking damn difficult, right? Which is exactly why we help to increase, which is exactly why I ask you guys to use a minimum risk to reward ratio of 1:2. This will increase your chances of becoming a profitable trader, even though you can lose a few trades in a row, right? So in this case, you only need a 34% win rate to break even. So you only need to win 3 trades just to break even. Out of 10 trades, win 3 trades. And I can tell you that's very, very much realistic and achievable and possible. So another example, let's say we take 100 trades. We take a total of 100 trades with a 50% win rate. So I win half of the trades that I take. And you only take trades with a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So when I lose $500. But when I win $1,000. In this case, when I win, I made a total of 50K, right? 50 times $1,000, 50K. When I lose, I lost a total of 25K. So you see, I end up getting a net profit of 25K, even though I lose half of the time. I lose half of the time and I still get a net profit of $25,000, right? This is exactly why you should only take trades with a minimum risk to reward ratio of 1:2, right? Always aim to get 1:3 or the higher the better, right? Basically, make sure the minimum is 1:2. This is how I trade.